The Tupperware She Can, You Can initiative attempts to capture stories of women going beyond the ordinary and establishing a mark for themselves. These are unique stories of growth and transformation, where our central characters have impacted other people's lives in more ways than one. We meet these women of substance who've come from varied backgrounds but have one thing in common. They have all struggled and overcome their odds in different ways.
We take you to meet Sushmita Di from Kolkata, who lived in Howrah Shivpuri before she got married. She wasn't very studious as a young child and always thought that higher education was necessary to achieve financial success in her life. Her story proves otherwise.
ছোটবেলা থেকে আমার স্বপ্ন ছিল আমি এয়ার হোস্টেস হব। তার কারণ দেশ বিদেশ ঘুরতে আমার বড় ভালো লাগে। সেই স্বপ্ন তো পূরণ হয়নি বিয়ের পর, কিন্তু টাপারওয়্যারে জয়েন করার পর সে স্বপ্ন আমার পূরণ হয়েছে। পৃথিবীর নানান জায়গায় আমি ঘুরেছি এবং ঘুরবো, এটা একটা আমার বিরাট আশীর্বাদ। যখনই সংসারের বা অন্য কোনো দরকারে আমি আমার হাজব্যান্ডের কাছে পয়সা চাইতাম, তখনই আমার নিজের মনটাই খারাপ লাগতো। মনে হতো আমার অ্যাজ এ হাউস ওয়াইফ বলো, মহিলা হিসেবে আমার কিন্তু নিজের আর্নিং থাকাটা দরকার, যেটা আমার ছিল না। 13 বছর সংসার করার পর মেয়ে আস্তে আস্তে বড় হয়ে গেল, তার একটা নিজের জগৎ হলো। সেই সময় আমার মনে হলো আমি বড় একা হয়ে গেছি, আমারও একটা কিছু করা দরকার, নিজেকে এনগেজ রাখা দরকার। মেয়ের 17 বছর বয়স হয়ে গেল, ঠিক এই সময় আমার কাছে এলো টাপারওয়্যারের অপরচুনিটি। এই অপরচুনিটিটা যখনই আমার কাছে এলো, আমি তাড়াতাড়ি করে এই অপরচুনিটিটা নিয়ে নিলাম। এখানে কাজ করতে করতে আমি দেখলাম যে এইখানে কাজ করতে গেলে তোমাদের বিশাল একটা ডিগ্রি দরকার, ইউনিভার্সিটি, কলেজ বা যে কোনো জায়গায়, তা কিন্তু নয়।
Sushmita often envied other women family members who were working women. She heard their stories and would be reduced to tears. One of the women in her family used to work for Indian Airlines, and her stories of travel would rattle Sushmita tremendously. She felt her life had no outlet. She felt very suffocated. She kept questioning herself, why couldn't I do anything with my life?
প্রথম টাপারওয়্যারের পার্টি থেকে আমার আর্নিং ছিল 500 রুপিস। দেখো, আমার ভাবলে এখনো গায়ে কাঁটা দেয়। আমার আর্নিং, আমি রোজগার করছি 500 টাকা। আমি এত এক্সাইটেড ছিলাম যে কী বলবো। এখন আর আমি হাউস ওয়াইফ নয়, আমি কিন্তু ওয়ার্কিং, আর্ন করছি। আমি সত্যি সত্যি আমার গায়ে কাঁটা দিচ্ছে আজ। তো সেটা দিয়ে কি করবো ভেবে পাইনি। সকলের জন্য ছোট্ট ছোট্ট কিছু না গিফট কিনে নিয়েছি, এবং আমার টাকায়। এক্সেলেন্ট। টাপারওয়্যার আমাদের এমন একটা শক্তি দেয়, পাওয়ার দেয়, যাতে আমরা অন্যের লাইফ চেঞ্জ করতে পারি, যেমন আমার হয়েছে। টাপারওয়্যার একটা মন্ত্র আছে, ইউ বিল্ড পিপল, পিপল উইল বিল্ড ইউ। অন্য লোকের স্বপ্ন যদি তুমি পূরণ করো, তোমার স্বপ্নও সাথে সাথে পূর্ণ হয়ে যাবে। যেসব আইডেন্টিটি কিছু ছিল না, কারোর মা, কারোর স্ত্রী, কারোর বাড়ির বউ, আজ কিন্তু আমার নিজস্ব পরিচয় আছে। সুস্মিতা ভট্টাচার্য, টাপারওয়্যারের ডিস্ট্রিবিউটর। আমার টাপারওয়্যার ফ্যামিলিতে আছে 66 জন ম্যানেজার্স, 2000-এর ওপরও কনসালটেন্ট, সবাই মিলে বিরাট একটা ফ্যামিলি। আমি তাদের দিদি।
Sushmita realized that all the selling was linked to kitchenware items, which she could easily relate to. So there was no need for any formal education.
My wife was, in fact, very much scared to go alone, even in the street. She used to hold my hand while crossing the roads. Now she has transformed in such a way. Transformation means upgradation of life in such a way that lot of other thousands of women holds her hand and she is crossing the road with them. She was scared even to go alone without our assistance. Now she is going abroad without any of us, alone. It's a great change, great transformation.
Sushmita has inspired many women in the urban context. In the rural context, we see how one Dalit woman shows us how collective action by a group of women led to obstacles being overcome. There are patterns common in every woman's life. Races that were never won because they were never run. Dreams that faded away because they never took flight. The inner voice that pushed for change but was quelled. Yet some women have been inspired and have dared to take on challenges and believe, if she can, I can.
Shabina turned a dry, barren area into fertile soil with community help from women.
दबंगई और डाकू का इलाका है। इन दलित महिलाओं को बहुत ही यौनिक हिंसा, बलात्कार और घरेलू हिंसा का शिकार होना पड़ता है। मेरा नाम शबीना है और हम बनांगना संस्था से हैं। बनांगना बांदा और करवी चित्रकूट जिले में काम करती है, खास तौर पे दलित, मुसलमान, कुल आदिवासी महिलाओं के साथ। बड़े उच्च वर्ग के लोग हैं, अमीर घर के लोग हैं, वो इनको अलग अलग तरीके से प्रताड़ित करते हैं। बंधुआ मजदूरी, पानी की समस्या, क्योंकि उनके पास ज़्यादा पैसा होता है और ये आर्थिक रूप से बहुत कमज़ोर होते हैं।
15 साल पहले इतना समस्या गंभीर रही कि कोई मार पीट करता रहा है तो हम एक दूसरे के साथ नहीं जाता रहा। माए दबंगों के डरन के मारे कि दादू लोग देख ले हैं तो हमको ना कुछ कहा। तो फिर हम कहा कि हमें यह संगठन बनावा का पड़ा। तो जैसे कि ये संगठन बन जाए तो एक दूसरे की ताकत आ जाए तो कुछ हमें मदद मिले।
This is an area of dacoits and thugs. The Dalit women from here are preyed upon by all those around them, even from local authorities and the police. There are many people here from the rich strata and upper castes. They exploit the Dalit women from here in numerous ways just because they have more money than the Dalit women who are considerably weaker in comparison. Earlier, the women here didn't have water for years at a stretch.
ये 15 सालों से हैंडपंप बनाने का काम कर रही हैं अपने क्षेत्रों में। लोगों का मानना था कि हैंडपंप जैसा तकनीकी काम कोई भी महिलाएं नहीं कर सकती, खासकर जो अनपढ़ हो। ये महिलाएं खुद हैंडपंप बनाती हैं, साथ ही साथ दूसरों को प्रशिक्षण भी देती हैं। ये प्रशिक्षण देने के लिए भारत के कई जगह पे गई हैं। भारत की पहली हैंडपंप मैकेनिकों के रूप में ये प्रशिक्षित हुई हैं। और आप यहाँ पे आज जो लहलाते हुए खेत देख रहे हैं, इसका कारण है कि बनांगना ने इन्हीं महिलाओं के साथ मिलकर बहुत सारे चेक डैम और तालाब खुदवाए हैं, जिससे कि वाटर जो बरसात का पानी है वो एक जगह इकट्ठा हो और उस पानी से पानी संचय हो और पानी संचय से वाटर लेवल इसका ऊपर आ सके। जो आज ये खेत यहाँ पे नजर आ रहे हैं, आज से 10 साल पहले शायद यहाँ पे आपको अनाज का एक दाना भी ना दिखाई दे।
We now take you to Hyderabad to meet Niharika, whose personality completely transformed from being an introvert to a person who could address and engage large gatherings.
I did my master's in psychology in 1988, and then I got married and I had 2 small daughters. I was very shy, but gradually as I started hosting Tupperware parties and I saw the result, that inculcated the passion in me to excel. And from a shy individual to a very confident lady today I am, where I can handle situations and a lot of women and give them the confidence that they can also become like me, grow to be a confident individual in life. You know what I like about the work I do? I deal with housewives like myself. I encourage them to become confident and take up challenging opportunities. Dhairye Sahase Lakshmi. Have the confidence, have the courage to take that first step, and with determination we will definitely see success.
So how did a housewife like Niharika rise to the level of being such a successful distributor?
The spreading the core belief of Tupperware, of changing lives, has been a wonderful journey for me. When I would talk to women and tell them about how other women in their neighborhood have changed their lives with Tupperware, that feeling of, if she can, I can, was I could see that coming out, and that's how we could empower all the women here. And I realized that, the 10,000 women that we are, one thing that I've realized and feel very proud about is that when a woman gets empowered, her whole family looks at her in a different perspective, in a much confident way.
In our society, millions of women have been living a life where they are at the receiving end of life situations, where they have no control. But when women take their lives in their own hands, they gradually grow so confident that they become beacons of hope and encouragement to millions of other women. We salute these extraordinary women of courage and support them in their endeavor to live their lives to the fullest.
Now we take you to meet Suma Vishnudas, a crusader of environmental causes from Wayanad, Kerala.
I'm Suma Vishnudas, a social anthropologist working with MS Swaminathan Research Foundation currently. I have been involved with the environmental issues of Wayanad and development issues of Wayanad for the last 10 years.
She worked relentlessly towards creating awareness among people on environment issues. Suma has created new thinking about sustainable development, and her work has impacted others as it's helped create policy and advocacy. Her work has involved marginalized communities like the Adivasi community, and they too have benefited greatly by her hard work.
As far as Wayanad is concerned, it has a long history of struggles against environmental hazards like deforestation, illegal tree felling, and conversion of natural forests to exotic tree plantations like teak, acacia, and all as part of social forestry.
Suma's motivation came from the fact that she worked closely with tribal communities, farmers, and Adivasis. Since these communities' lives are dependent on natural resources, Suma saw for herself the alarming and rapid changes taking place where the whole ecosystem was being clogged, thus adversely affecting the lives of these communities. It was then that she decided to help them out. Suma's efforts have helped these communities in ways where they have now begun asking for their rights.
Now our work is a twofold one. One is creating awareness among people about environmental issues and to create a new thinking of sustainable development thinking. In this process, we are trying to include all communities, especially the Adivasi communities. Second is creating policy advocacy through people. For this, we are creating platform for the people to raise their voice in the context of existing environmental policies and laws. In one side, people are realizing the reality, and now we are finding it is the right time to act in the grassroots level to mobilize people to speak against this injustice.
Now we take you to Chennai to meet Selvi Jyoti Kumar.
because I was a lady, like, having a kind of a fear to cross the road. That kind of a mindset, and I come from an Orthodox family from the deep south, the city called Madurai. And after my marriage, I've gone to Kerala with my husband. He was a bank manager, so we used to have transfer once in 3 years. I have come to Chennai based on his transfer, and I'm having 2 female kids, and I used to look after their studies. Being a home science basic, actually, the studies, I got interested towards cooking, and kind of I've done some diploma courses also about the food preservation and the kind of interior, plus we used to actually have a lot of textiles and clothing also. Based on that, I have got interested actually towards the products and the things, and that the Tupperware opportunity only shown that it is not required that I have to have so many other qualifications to start and to continue the business opportunity. And I have not ever thought that actually I can become a strongest lady like whatever you are seeing today, and I am keeping #1 position across the country.
Selvi is the first person from the 4 southern states to be selected as a distributor for the entire southern region. It's a fantastic achievement.
I have been actually doing the business for the past 16 years. I was joined as a consultant, meant for actually buying the product for my personal use from a party. One of my friend, a neighbor, she has invited me to participate in a party. That time I am not aware actually of the products and the opportunity, the other things. So I have gone as just an ordinary homemaker. And after the participation only I came to know about the quality of the product. So I have got interested to buy the products. Then the person who were actually there in the party, by seeing her, I got the idea that why can't I do that as a business. When I checked with her, she told that it is meant for all the women, only meant for women. She invited me to an assembly. In the assembly only I came to know that actually the flexible working hours and the freedom to actually how much I can do, and whatever the career progress also. That has actually inspired me, and it has given the confidence also that being a lady I can do actually both as a mom, as a smart mom, as well as a professional. That's the way I have grown my actual career from a consultant, manager, group manager, and we had the position called area sales manager. By doing that program, I have got the position distributor. So in the south, across the 4 states, I am the first person got the distributor position after achieving the area sales manager program.
Selvi has been the first person in India to have promoted 6 distributorships in South India. That was Selvi's story, a woman transformed in her levels of confidence.
We take you to meet Kiran. If there is a story of sheer willpower and strength above all else, it's her story. If there is a story of inspiration, it's hers.
When I was traveling from Hyderabad to my place Faridabad, on the way before half an hour in a train some unknown guys came and they tried to snatch my bag. So they snatched my bag with that force. I fell down on the track as I was sitting near to the lower berth near the exit.
Kiran is India's first female blade runner. Kiran has a never say die spirit. She never gives up. She has run the Delhi Marathon and has broken records. Now she's gearing up for the Mumbai Marathon.
So with that force, I was on the track. So my leg got stuck somewhere in the footrest. So when I was screaming, and then by hearing my scream, some people pulled the chain and they put me back into the train, and they then admitted to the next station was mine. They admitted me to the hospital, and there doctors said there are no blood supply, nerves are totally crashed because it was winter time. Then the 24th December 2011, the day was where I got a new chance to live my life, and next day was my birthday, so I take as a new life, new beginning of life, which makes me more stronger and see the people around. So I'm too much excited to have a record of 2.45 in the Mumbai Marathon. Hope I can do it.
Kiran has been a source of inspiration to many people who wanted to do what she did, and they were able to overcome their fears by seeing her shining example.
The Tupperware She Can You Can initiative draws inspiration from the stories of these extraordinary women who saw the possibilities are limitless, and so is their power to succeed. We pay tribute to the spirit and strength of these extraordinary women who not just made so much possible for themselves, but have also empowered lives of so many other women. These are just glimpses of some stories, yet there are so many untold stories which are yet to be heard and deserve celebration.